Okay, in this video, I want to share to you about how to make a historical door and also window. We can make the rectangle in here to make the base plane and double click and also make group. Okay, and then we can choose the polygon and then we can type a side with the 6 and enter in here. And then we can make this one and okay, we can make the radius around 2 meter in here. Okay, then now we can erase the plane and just explode the curve of this. Okay, then we can erase some unnecessary lines, so we can just let the 3 line in here. Then we can offset it outside 150 millimeter. Okay, and close for every single line in here. Okay, then we can click the surface and push it up around 3.2 meter approximately. Okay, and then we can triple click, right click, and also make group in here. Okay, and then now we can click this line. We can click this triple line in here. Then we can select move, tap control, and move it up around 600 millimeter in here, and move it up again around 2 meter in here. Okay, now we can click and offset it inside around or we can click this line and select a move, tap control, we can move around 200 millimeter. Click this line, move around 200 millimeter in here. Okay, and also this one, we can select a move, we can move, tap control, 200, move, tap control, 200 in here. And also this one, select a move, tap 100, 200, yeah. Okay, we can push it to the behind, until to the limit in here. Okay, then now we can make the rectangle in here and offset it inside around 60 and click this plane and erase. Then click this surfaces 120 and make component, create. Then we can make the rectangle in here. Sorry, we can make the rectangle again in here. Okay, then we can triple click and make component, create. Then we can select move and place to the position in here. Okay, then we can select rectangle and we can make rectangle in here and offset it inside 60 millimeter. Click, right click and erase. Then we can click this surface and push it to the behind around 40 millimeter. Okay, then we can make group and make the rectangle in here. Okay, then we can push it up around 15 millimeter. Triple click, right click, and make component. Okay, then we can select a move, tap control, and also place to the position in here. Then we can type forward slash and enter in here. Then we can rotate 90 degree. Okay, and right click and make unit. Then we can select move and also place to the position in here. Okay, we can push it down until to the position in here. Okay, we can push it up until to the position in here. Okay, we can select the rectangle in here until to this position, and we can give a thickness and make group. Okay, then we can select the glazing in here. Okay, then we can make group. We can select move to the position. And select move, tap control, and place to that position in here. Okay, then we can make group this one and select move, tap control. Okay, then we can place, then you can select move, tap control. Okay, we can place to the position in here. Okay, so then we can make the plane in here and triple click and also make group. Then we can also make the little molding in here, little molding around. We can offset it inside around 60, 20 in here, 100, 20 in here. Okay, then now we can duplicate, offset it again and again. Okay, we can offset it inside again, and this one, and also this one. Okay, now we can push it to the front around 5 mm. Sorry, push it to the front again, 5 mm. Okay, again 5 mm and 5 mm in here. So this is the molding that we can make in here, and then now we can also make the cabinets in here to make a variation and to make sure that the space are more functional. Then we can offset it inside again around 500 mm in here, or okay, this one and also this one. Then we can push it up around 550 and offset it inside around 30. This is 30 mm, and also this one 30, and push it down, push it to the behind 400. Okay, this one 400, and double click and also make group. Then we can make the rectangle to make the top hang of this cabinet in here. We can make the little decoration in here and make group. Okay, and we can select move and place, select move. Okay, we can adjust about this edge to make sure that this will fill this empty space in here. And we can select move. Okay, and place to that way. Okay, this is for the classic window in here, classic window, and then we can make the another color. Can make the another color of it. Maybe we can place this wall coloring in here. We can set up about the saturation and level of darkness in here. I think that's enough. Okay, and we can deactivate about the shadow again. Then now we can make the door. Okay, we can make the door. Okay, we can follow the blue axis, type 2.5 meter in here. Okay, and type 900 mm in here. Okay, then now we can make the profile of the door. Click, type 120, and type 60. I'm sorry, type a 60 in here, 60 mm. Okay, and then we can make the little one. We can type 10 and click this one and type 50 mm in here. Okay, then we can select all this three line and select follow me in here. Okay, and it will be a frame of the door like this. And then now we can make the rectangle in here. We can make the rectangle and push it to the front and offset it inside. Okay, offset it inside again and again and again. Okay, now we can make the thickness of this decoration of this molding and make group. Okay, then we can create the gap in here just a little bit and push it to the behind just like this. Okay, I think it's enough, and we can also set up about the shadow just like this. Okay, thank you for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.